10 Major Benefits of Doing Squats Every Day. Number 1. Squats helps you to build stronger muscles. Squats work up your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, abdominal muscles, lower back, and your butt too. Squats help you to achieve wonderful, toned legs. Squats also promote body-wide muscle building by creating an anabolic, muscle-building, environment in the body. Number 2. Squats help you to burn calories faster. Squats uses more muscles in the workout that help you to burn more calories. Add some weight, you will burn calories even quicker. Number 3. Squat improves your flexibility. Improving your flexibility should be part of your training plan. Including squats in your workout routine will help you get more flexible as the exercise involves bending and stretching of the leg muscles. Number 4. Squats improve your mobility and balance. Squats work on your core, stabilizing muscles. These muscles help you to maintain balance, while also improving the communication between your brain and your muscle groups, which helps prevent falls. Number 5. Squats improve your lungs and heart strength. Squat helps strengthen your cardiac muscles and improve your lung capacity, especially once you start adding weights. 6. Squats maintain and improve your joints. Because squatting simultaneously activates your hips, knees, and ankles, the load not only helps you gain muscle, but it also improves joint health and strength. Number 7. Squat keeps your bones strong. As squatting is a load-bearing exercise, it helps with overall strength, which is great for younger people, and also older people who may have a low bone density. Number 8. Squats improve digestion and circulation. The speed at which fluids travel through your body is improved when exercising your leg muscles, which allows more oxygen and nutrients to travel through your body's organs. Number 9. Improve your daily life and physical abilities. From squats, getting up from a seated position or lifting objects will become easier, which is especially important for later in life. Number 10. Improves your ability to jump. Due to improved strength in your body's lower extremities, the ability to produce power is improved. As a result, your acceleration and jumping ability is improved. Great for your tennis game.